Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set reminders on the Blobby application so you won't forget about your new habits and goals that you have to achieve. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the settings icon or menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the settings option, and here, as you can see, the first section is the reminder section where you can set or change your reminders so you never forget a day. Tap on the relevant one. Where you want to get your notification, tap on the allow button to allow the application to have access to your notifications, and as you can see, your reminder has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.